Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Hyundai Sonata tail light socket using an easy method. First, make sure your car is turned off and the parking brake is set. You'll need a new tail light socket and a flathead screwdriver. Open your trunk and find the access panel on the inside, directly behind the tail light assembly. This panel usually just pops open, giving you access to the wiring. Once the access panel is open, you'll see the back of the tail light assembly and the wiring. Identify the specific socket you need to replace. To remove it, simply twist the socket about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise. It should then easily pull straight out from the housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging any surrounding wires or components during this step. Now take your new tail light socket and insert the appropriate bulb into it. Make sure the bulb is seated correctly and securely. Carefully align the tabs on the new socket with the corresponding slots in the tail light housing. Push the socket in firmly, then twist it clockwise about 1/4 of a turn until it locks into position. You should feel it click into place, indicating it's secure. After installing the new socket, it's crucial to test everything. Turn on your car, engage the brake, and check your tail lights, brake lights, and turn signals to ensure they are all working correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the access panel inside the trunk, making sure it's securely closed. This simple repair can save you time and money. Also, for those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.